Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding where the Google Analytics code lives and why, open your WordPress admin and go straight to Appearance Theme File Editor. Search header, PHP footer, PHP and functions, PHP for GA, JS Analytics, JS G-tag, JS or G-tag strings because themes often inject scripts there. Then check active plugins, analytics, header inserters, caching, or marketing plugins since they commonly add tracking. Make a quick list of files and plugins that contain the code so you know what to remove first and why it was added. Once you've listed the sources, make a backup and then remove the code carefully. If it's in theme files, edit via SFTP or child theme and delete the script block if functions. PHP uses WP and QScript, remove that hook. For plugins, open each plugin settings and delete the tracking ID, or simply deactivate and uninstall the plugin to fully remove its injection. After edits, clear all caches, WordPress cache, server caching, and CDN, so users no longer load the old analytics script. To finish, verify removal using browser dev tools. Reload with an empty cache and inspect network and console for any analytics scripts. Look for G-tag analytics, JS or measurement ID. Also view the page source for leftover UA or GID. If you still see tracking, make sure to inspect must-use plugins, wp-config. PHP, server level includes, and any CDN or tag manager accounts that might re-inject code. If nothing works, restore your backup and remove sources one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.